Hi friends, welcome to the news section. In this section we will discuss about malwares. So we will start from virus. What is computer virus, and how it works? A computer virus is a type of malware that attaches to another program, like a document, which can replicate and spread after a person first runs it on their system. For instance, you could receive an email with a malicious attachment, open the file unknowingly, and then the computer virus runs on your computer. Viruses are harmful and can destroy data, slow down system resources, and log keystrokes. Or, we can say that a computer virus is a program that spreads by first infecting files or the system areas of a computer or network routers, hard drive, and then making copies of itself. Some viruses are harmless, others may damage data files, and some may destroy files. Types of computer virus. Boot sector virus. It is a type of virus that infects the boot sector of floppy disks or the master boot record of hard disks. The boot sector comprises all the files which are required to start the operating system of the computer. The virus either overwrites the existing program or copies itself to another part of the disk. Direct action virus. When a virus attaches itself directly to a .exe or .com file and enters the device while its execution is called a direct action virus. If it gets installed in the memory, it keeps itself hidden. It is also known as non-resident virus. Resident virus. A virus which saves itself in the memory of the computer, and then infects other files and programs when its originating program is no longer working. This virus can easily infect other files because it is hidden in the memory, and is hard to be removed from the system. Multipartite virus. A virus which can attack both the boot sector and the executable files of an already infected computer is called a multipartite virus. If a multipartite virus attacks your system, you are at risk of cyber threat. Overwrite virus. One of the most harmful viruses, the overwrite virus can completely remove the existing program and replace it with the malicious code by overwriting it. Gradually it can completely replace the host's programming code with the harmful code. Polymorphic virus. Spread through spam and infected websites. The polymorphic virus are file infectors which are complex and are tough to detect. They create a modified or morphed version of the existing program and infect the system and retain the original code. File infector virus. As the name suggests, it first infects a single file and then later spreads itself to other executable files and programs. The main source of this virus are games and word processors. Space filler virus. It is a rare type of virus which fills in the empty spaces of a file with viruses. It is known as cavity virus. It will either affect the size of the file nor can be detected easily. Macro virus. A virus written in the same macro language as used in the software program and infects the computer if a word processor file is opened. Mainly the source of such viruses is via emails. What are signs you may be infected with a computer virus? The following are indications that your computer might be infected by a virus. The computer takes a long time to start up, and performance is slow. The computer experiences frequent crashes or shutdown, and error messages. The computer behaves erratically, such as not responding to clicks or opening files on its own. The computer's HD is acting strangely, for example, constantly spinning or making continual noise. Email is corrupted. The amount of storage on the computer is reduced. Files and other data on the computer have gone missing. Let's discuss the 4 phases of computer viruses and how they spread. Dormant phase. This is when the virus is hidden inside your computer system, lying in wait. It is waiting to attach itself to the right target. Propagation phase. The viral stage is when the virus begins to self-replicate, making copies of itself in files, programs, or other critical parts of your disk. The copies/clones also self-replicate, creating more clones that continue to copy and spread. This process continues unless the target is achieved or the entire system is infected. Triggering phase. A specific user action is generally required to trigger or activate the virus. The action may be clicking an icon or opening an application. Other viruses are programmed to come to life after a specific time. Execution phase. The virus's infection program is executed and releases its payload, the malicious code that harms your device. How do you remove a computer virus? In the event your personal computer becomes infected with a virus, you can take the following steps to remove it. Enter safe mode. The process will depend on the version of Windows you're running. Delete temporary files. While in safe mode, use the disk cleanup tool to delete temporary files. Download an on-demand and a real-time virus scanner. Run the on-demand scanner followed by the real-time scanner. If either scanner removes the virus, then it might need to be removed manually. This should only be done by an expert who is experienced at using Windows Registry and knows how to view and delete system and program files. Reinstall any files or programs damaged by the virus.